Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire. Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is a continue from the last one. So this is basically a part 2 of my previous vlog. So you can see that I'm pulling out my hair, and you know what I mean. That means that I go do her hair. So this is me at the hair salon, about to get my hair done. This is my first time putting in quick weave, so guys, rate it down below what you think about it. Yeah, so this day went by pretty quickly. I didn't do much on this day, so this will basically be day 1 of part 2 vlog, where I did my hair and basically went to the store. So guys, my hair is finished. She put some curls in it so I can comb it out later on. I'm now going into Aldi's to buy some stuff to put in my barrel. So let's go. Sorry. 2, 3. What's your price? Oh, yeah, I don't want to one of the nuts.
Oh, here's some right here.
Yeah, let's do Look how far we're gone now, guys. Got my cute bag that I got from Shein. It has a Bible verse on it: faith over fear. The Lord is on my side. I will not fear what can man do to me. Psalms 118 verse 6.
Another can?
No, my hands are too small to grab.
Rise and shine and give God the glory. Look how beautiful I am. Praise be to God. So today we are going downtown to check out the Illusion Museum, or the Museum of Illusions. Guys, I was super duper excited. I dressed up pretty and neat. Guys, downtown Ohio is a vibe. Y'all sleeping on Ohio for real. It's really pretty down there. Guys, we are downtown, and ooh, what's that? Oh shit. So I'm downtown, we're downtown, and we're just gonna walk around the place and see what's going on. But now, like, I love the vibe, I love the aesthetics of how everything looks. I'm gonna show you, and I definitely, you're gonna definitely love it too. So let's see. So pretty. This is where we're gonna go, Museum of Illusions, but we're just gonna wait a little bit, and then we're just gonna walk, see what's going on. So cutesy. Guys, we're now going to the Illusion Museum because finished touring and everything, so it's, you know, it's done.
Our total is $84.25. You consider stand, and then the other person is standing right there.
You stick them. Tricky stick. Dancing rings. This how
I'm going to move it this part from this was crazy. It appears to be moving upwards and downwards. You gonna move it?
Yeah.
Oh! Fred, what's going on, man? You're inside.
Guys, look at this. This is crazy. And then look here. This is so cool. Watch here. Look what I'm doing, guys. Off and off. Yeah. Rule, tell me catching up.
Is it? Is it?
Yeah. I censor them up, but in life.
Okay, it says enter for the enter point.
One glass, yes, here, auntie.
Walk with your hands on the handrail.
Oh my god. Go on first. Oh my god.
It's an illusion. It works.
Go on to the end.
No, me not go to the end. We can't manage. I will open my head.
I'm over here and I want to fall. Let me try.
This can't so easy. This is not this easy. See? Foolishness. The place nice.
You tell me about to walk into something?
But Jesus! Look pa, look pa naman, look pa yan, auntie, look pa ni Wolf, look pa yan. O, siya na? No! Guys, we had a wonderful day. We went, walking. Then we went to the museum and then we went to Chick-fil-A to end the night with some nice food.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto East 14th Street.
Brings me there. 30 hertz straight up.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today we are going to get some crab legs and I'll be taking you guys with me. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because you know, looking very cute as per usual. I wish me did wear one white socks with this, and the white socks it kind of bend up. Let me see if we can get a white socks. Like the white socks with this would look so freaking cute.
Continue on Euclid Avenue for 4 miles.
I hope it's a Swan live. Swan live straight down that street, my street. So.
So guys, we went to get the crab, but the crab place was closed. So we went to this place called The Pub where we got some nice food. We got like a seafood platter like, so you guys can, you know, see in the next video.
Take picture.
Hey guys, so we are back home. We didn't get to go to the crab place because they were closed, but we went to a pub and the food was really good. I also collected my package where I got this Pandora charm, really cute. So I am now home chilling. Then tomorrow we might check out at the crab place and see if we can get some crab legs and everything. So just continue watching, liking and sharing, and let's get on with the vlog. Hey guys, this is the next day. I'll be showering, you know, brushing my teeth and getting myself ready. So let's go. So we left out, but the rain is falling. Let me show you guys. I'm so pretty. So this is us before the seafood boil. I left my keys in the car. Okay. This is us before.
Well, you probably should have got this. Girl. Okay.
No, it looks like say in the member I sent them one.
Hello, excuse me. Is the rice coming?
Oh, it's just a go back for you. Play them people later. Bees? That's like whoa. So this is muscle, right?
What's the relaxer?
First time in my life I'm trying this.
Come on. Let's go. Mindset go. Mindset go. Chew it.
Well, find me another muscle.
Let's dip it up in the sauce. That one come with everything. That's a deal. That's good.
Yeah, the fly come from there, man.
You just speed.
Mommy don't eat crab legs, no, but she's gonna be like, you didn't bring me any?
You really want to mix up the feeling item on top.
Shake up the bag. Make sure it's here. Is the camera okay?
You what, boy?
Got all on it. Boy, now you never have that problem.
Or spot job.
It's good though.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
Sure.
It's really, really weird.
One soap and simmer.
Put in this one right here.
This one? See my line.
Bust it open. The hot's not that bad.
Huh?
The hot sauce not that bad. As I remember it. One day it was like so hot.
You look seafood today. You look seafood today. I don't think I ate much. What should I say? It's just like to try new things. I think that's it.
If you like to travel,
Yeah.
they'll be open to try new things.
And the cockroach in the Bank Columbia Road. Cockroach, you know they sell cockroach. Anything else come on, then go say, give more storage.
I'll probably do cricket or something. Cricket. Or a grasshopper.
Stop it.
I'm from the shop. So guys, we're leaving now. It was so good. The only thing that I didn't really like was
They're good, but it's too salty.
yeah. So Punky said the sausages. I can't say it.
Try to say it too proper and say it in the accent.
Sausages. No, I can't say it overall.
Sausage.
Sausage.
Say sausages.
Yeah, guys, the S word there, she said too salty. For me, what me they say? I don't even remember.
Look at the umbrella.
And she love. What you never like? Or where you like the most?
Corn, the egg.
He loved the corn. Yeah, the egg was good. The egg was real good. So yeah, guys, it was a nice experience. And I give it a 9.5 out of 10. The 5% will be taken from the custom from the service. Cause let me tell you, the boy just look at day sick. It's just weird. Like some team say, oh, they forgot our rice. Okay, I'm go for the rice. Oh, you forgot the egg. Him take him good time and him go for the egg. We say want a bag. It does. Him just not behave. Like him want work. Him tired. Him sick, man. Him sick. Yeah, but otherwise it was so good. We have leftovers and we're gonna bring it home and maybe watch a movie and eat the rest of it. Also, you know, I have to pack because I have a flight tomorrow. So yeah.
Alright.
to basically check my bags and go through TSA. So I'll be done within maybe about 15 minutes because I'm basically in front of the line. So guys, bear in mind, but just get up and eat like the rest of the seafood bowl me eat yesterday. But guess what? The girl hungry again, girls at airport and kind of peckish again. And one thing about me when I fly, I don't want to eat none of the food them but I'll give it because I'm so scared. Like I'm afraid. When I'm up in the air, I'm afraid and I just lose my appetite every time. Thank you. I just lose my appetite every time. Some of that Chick-fil-A, you know, I get some nuggets and fries and some lemonade and all that. So I'm just here waiting and see. My outfit is just normal and cute. So I'm just waiting here for to board the flight. We just eating Chick-fil-A a while ago. Honestly, it tastes good. The sauce really tastes good. I wish I did have my earbuds, but I put it in the plastic bag and the bag is so packed I can't go in there right now. So yeah, maybe board the flight in the next 15-20 minutes and, you know, take off. Also, I get a nice circle. I hope there's a movie there that I always wanted to watch, just like watch Barbie, watch Little Mermaid, watch The Quiet Place. So we need to see one movie I always did want to watch, or did in the theaters or whatever, so I can get to watch it and keep my company, you know. So until then, guys. Step out of the aisle over the path and take your assigned quickly and safely. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm good, thank you. I just landed in Atlanta and I'm now going to the train to go to my boarding section or my concourse. I might get something to eat because I'm kind of picky. Hi! I'm kind of peckish, but this is my way of saying it. I'm kind of peckish, but let's see how it works out. So It looks as though my aunt had upgraded my seat, so big up she right there. So I always wanted to sit at Comfort Plus, so you know, as a Delta girly, we are doing it today. We are doing it. You know, it was raining in Ohio and it's sunny here, so I'm basically don't need the blanket right now. And the plane might be cold, so
We have a customer on board who is not feeling well. We have asked Kingston to have the paramedics meet the aircraft. Out of courtesy, please remain in your seats as we approach the gate until the paramedics are going to board the aircraft and they're going to go back to this individual's seat.
I'm back home. Period. Oh, gorgeous.
It just hurts me more and more.
Look when the kids see me, some of them go, guys. Oh my god. Looking terrible.
Not looking good.
Oh my god. But I am now about to go to the grocery store. So this vlog is gonna be something different. So now I'm just letting you guys know I'm home safe and everything, and I'm about to get some grocery. But this vlog is a different one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my Ohio vlog, because I definitely enjoyed myself. It wasn't really like a full vlog, you know, a lot of, you know, cuts and everything, because I was enjoying myself. So I totally forgot to vlog sometime. But you know, back in Jamaica. Thank you guys so much for watching.